Okay. I don't know if you can see how yellow that is. I'm gonna try and get as close as I can. And you can see that you cannot see through the yellow staining. You cannot see the high beam bulb. Now we're going to walk over here and see the one I cleaned. I'm sure you can see how clear that is now. I cleaned this one. And if you look down in there, you can see the high beam bulb, which you cannot see on the other side. That's how clean this is compared to that one, which is like yellow, stained. All I used was Meguiar's Deep Crystal Paint Cleaner. It's designed to clean your paint without wrecking your clear coat on your paint. So it works very well. It doesn't wreck anything, doesn't affect the clear coating that they have on the plastic. It cleans it down really good and gets it crystal clear, and then when you're all done, you just put a good coat of wax on it and it looks good. Looks a hell of a lot better than the other side, that's for sure. As you can see. Okay, I used New Finish once a year car polish on it, so that way I only have to do it like once or twice a year maybe, and should stay looking good.